All right, we have just checked into All-Star Sports. So we have a standard 2-queen bed. This is a Murphy bed that will pull down. In the meantime, we have this table and chairs. There is an extra chair over here, a window, and then of course we have a coffee station, a little cooler fridge down there, and then lots of space on the dresser, lots and lots of outlets, which you know I love. And then we have lots of storage in the dresser. This is an adjoining room, so you can request adjoining rooms if you're traveling with a big group. This is what the room looks like with the Murphy bed up. We will definitely show you what it looks like with it down, but obviously it's just a duplicate of this guy over here. And then we have a glass door shower. Really, really nice. All of the All-Star resorts were recently renovated. Single vanity. Then we have this storage space over here. Ironing board back there in the corner. You can tuck your suitcases in here. Overall, decent amount of space for a value resort. As I was saying, all of the All-Star resorts have recently been renovated, and most of them look like this. Pop Century will look very similar to this as well.